maaga pa lang, gumising na si Jomer. Siguro mga 6 o'clock, gising na siya. Hello! Yes, Marvin naman, kailangan niya bumili sa Catch of the Day where we buy our seafood. Kamusta ba, Chin? Hello.
Mainit!
So, what did you buy?
Seafood. Shrimp to set.
Shrimp, percent, crab,
Crab.
seafood, barbecue, and pancet yung lulutuin namin dito. Then, yung iba, kasi it's a potluck barbecue party. So, we don't know kung ano yung dadalhin iba. Maybe drinks or whatever they want to bring. It's fine. So, ang estimated naming attendees, attendees talaga. Our estimated attendees, 20 to 30 people. So, I don't know. Hopefully, they all come. Sige, hugasan ko muna tong mga gagamitin. Let's enjoy the party. So, maghuhugas muna ako ng mga gagamitin namin today. Yung mga paglalagyan ng food namin. Tsaka, yung mga plates namin and stuff. Hugas. Hugas muna best hugas. Ching!
We're gonna play badminton. How's the game?
We won.
You're going to the finals.
Not yet.
We can't right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Sa Pilipinas. Hello po. Aba na po ba? Kanina pa kayo iniintay eh.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Sabi ko sa'yo, wala na magdala.
Hindi ka na dito ka mag-Diyos. Naman, there's my that's her kuya. You know what, Abby is paying.
Okay.
You should have come same time. Let's go. Ay, naka-close.
Ram, are you enjoying Ate Vanessa's farm?
Also, very much po. Gym na naman.
Alam mo naman ako.
Gym na naman to.
Okay lang yun.
May nag-therapeutic sa amin. Friend ko daw.
Yeah, she's one of my pretty friend here. Ano yung ginawa mo? Pakita mo. Ano yung pinagawa mo? Yes, she made this. Perfect. Dahil alam niya ang favorite ko yun. Yun yung ginawa. Dami namin food. Spaghetti from... Oh my God, I forgot. And pancet from by Marvin. Canon by me. Ayun na, lahat na nga. Welcome! naka-video. Come in, come in.
Mabuhay ang mga tomboy! Mabuhay ang mga tomboy!
Pati gawa ni Carlo yan. At ang Denny Cat pala, yung kasama niya. Ay, magkakakilala kayo? Hindi, kayo sa mga Denny Cat. Ay, hindi ko nakilala. Ni Carlo, sister. This is Hannah. This is Nancy. This is Denise. And you look, and this is... Sorry, Hello.
For the invite, yes. How about you? Have you been cleaning since yesterday? I'm talking to you, darling. Have you been cleaning since yesterday?
Yeah!
Perfect. How about you? Are you happy in this table? Yeah. Where's Mama? Hi, Mama is there.
Sorry, chicken feet, 5 bucks.
Yes, ang mga successful kang mga friends. Ito talaga yung mga inspiration
Catering
nyo.
na kayo.
Mag-catering.
Kuya Marvin's Catering. Kuya Marvin.
Mahirap yun, Bes. Huwag niyo akong binibigyan ng sakit ng ulo.
Wala na lang, dalawang shopping dish, oh.
Nasarapan. Okay lang. Gusto niya sumamay. Ba't ka ba? Kuya, ano masasabi mo sa party na to? Nag-e-enjoy ka ba? Very good. Yes, Hannah, she. Lagi kita na interview. Yan yung ginagawa ni Hannah, mag-barbecue. Ng paa. Oh my God.
Na diabetes.
Yay! Yes. Are you happy? Yes, very good. Yes, Carlo. Ano masabi mo sa party na to?
Saya-saya, Jomer.
Very good.
Marvin, thank you. Nakakaiyak.
Yes. What can you say about this party?
It's alright.
It's alright. It's just so-so. In fact, it's just so-so.
You talk to Pats.
Yes, Pats, I'm tired of Englishing, but I need to. What can you say about this party?
Very good.
Very good. How about you, Nancy? Are you happy?
Very beautiful.
Yes. How about my very close friends here? Are you happy?
I enjoy eating feet.
Yes. So since my ate lady is not yet here, Ate Gian is here. So I'm happy pa rin. Yeah.
Thank you for inviting us.
I know. Yes, Ate lady, kung nasan ka man ngayon. Magpagaling ka. Yeah.
Kain namin this for you.
Yes. Yes, this is for you, our ate. Kung nandito siya, meron akong masarap na cake for sure. Ram, did you win the bingo?
Opo.
How? Ay, healthy naman yung gym friend ko. Perfect.
Wala kang kain galing work.
Yes, then nagji-gym kami.
Ang Johnson.
X1. May namumuro na ba?
Wala.
Namumura na. Ay, 26. Ay, 26. Ayun na.
No, you have one?
Wala. Sige na po ito, batang-bata. Ay, 17.
Yes. Hi. Say hi. Hi.
You play first.
Is that the first time you ate that?
No, but Nancy never tried it.
I can't. No, not for me. Nancy, just a bite.
28 years old, I survived without it. I'll be
Sa bagay. What is this? No. It's the tradition. You have to taste our street food. So our street food is, I will show you. No, not chicken feet. I'll show you another one.
This is chicken feet.
So Achi, this is Chicken? Hold on. So, I know. Okay, this is intestine, ha? I'm gonna barbecue this for you. This is like...
I will try this one.
That's why you will try it.
I'll try it today.
Because this is the gratitude of you teaching me. I'm giving it to you. Ba't kasi kayo nakaganyan? Dito kaya kayo?
Wala na!
Nahuli.
Raymond, dapat mo naman, band 6 ka. Ayaw magbawi na.
Gago, mas malaki pa nga sweldo ng mga 5 eh. So, enhancement.
Tagal ng mga babay. Tagal ng mga babay.
Yung bata, naghihintay lang.
Yung mga pansit. Mga gago. Sige, Abby, sakaling ka ni Jomer pag ginawa mo yan. Ay, nauna na yung... Sino bang sasabay sa'yo? Gulo-gulo.
Lanisa, ano ba yun?
Ano ko naiwan ko?
Teka lang, kukunin lang yung ano lalagyan ni Ate Gian. Ay, yung takip! Mahina. Hoy! Pero si Jomer lagi naglalaro silang dalawa niya.
Category na. Ganon. Tapos, aday ko kung anong color.
Meron naman kape. So weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control. Hi! So, ayun, tapos na yung party natin today. And it was such a wonderful day. Kasi marami naman nakapunta. Dun sa mga hindi nakapunta, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi palagi naman kami may pagkamunta. So, next time, thank you sa lahat ng nakapunta. Hope you enjoy at my barbecue party vlog. Bye!
May pagpupulong na naman, bagong papakinggan. Ito at nag-aayos ako ng kagamitan. Tapos punta kila good, onting lakad lang naman. Nakasabay pa si Polo sa